Good morning. Today is February 16th, and I'm going to go into town to shoot a time lapse, go to Ponce, see some friends, and then head over to Bob's at 12:30 for team breakfast. See you guys in a few. Made it to Ponce where I'm going to shoot the time lapse. You guys will see it right after now. Yo, what up, Bella? Are you being the slave for Ron today?
Ponce, they waste my gas money.
Leaving Ponce, heading to Bob's for team breakfast. See you guys there. Just made it to Bob's. We got like 4 people here, but I think it's gonna be a pretty big crowd today, so probably 10 or 12, which is gonna be lit. Game's in like 6-7 hours, so got time to digest. We got a nice little squad here, you know what I mean?
Reporting here from Honolulu, Hawaii. Just want to wish the boys a little shout out and good luck in their game today. We love you. I'm the girlfriend of the bay.
Nerd. Just got done with Bob's. It was so good this morning. It was like, you know, when it hit the spot. But huge shout out to Bob's for always accommodating us on our Saturday and Wednesday morning team breakfasts. But heading home, and in 2 hours we got practice. UPS just came. New lens. Canon 10 to 22 millimeter. And this is what the new lens looks like. 10 to 22 ultra wide. Leaving for the rink right now. We've got practice before we play. Practice at 3:45. It's like 3 right now, so I gotta head over there, get ready for practice, and then we gotta watch the girls' game, and then it's our game. See you in a few. Just made it to the rink, heading inside for practice, and then we gotta watch the girls' game. Good luck. Solving the Rubik's Cube, here we go.
The hardest part about solving the Rubik's Cube, it's probably dodging all the panties.
We're watching the girls play their game right now.
When I get down on my luck, I hide behind my eyes in Hollywood. This ain't what you know, but who you know. You need to know someone to know no one. When I get down on my luck, I rollin' up and roll around about my lonesome. Lost some years I used to know. I know my fate like bullets in a shotgun. When I get down on my luck, I hide behind my eyes in Hollywood. This ain't what you know. When I met you.